Today, Cup Tree Service is here with their crew to remove the tree in our front yard. So hang out with me here today while we reduce 6.5 hours worth of work down to a 15-minute video. We've had some surprise projects that have come up with our house foundation repairs, and taking out this tree is one of the surprises. But honestly, it was necessary. Each change of season brings more limbs on the ground, and where we're working right here on the tree was a particularly troublesome part of the tree, like it was always losing tree limbs right here. And after the project was done, when I talked to the owner of Cup Tree Service, he said a lot of this part of the tree was very dead and that the branches just basically snapped off. Okay, they got a good portion of the branches down here. A little bit more still to go though.
What's going on? Is it tree removal day? Are you keeping an eye on the guys? Are you? Okay, are they doing a good job? Okay. All right, as long as they're doing a good job. You're silly. Yeah. Okay, well, be careful. That's not very safe work. That is one really tall tree.
Luckily, our neighborhood still has lots of big old trees. All right, time to start working on the bigger branches now that the littler stuff is mostly done. I don't know if you'll be able to see it when he cuts this branch, but there's some kind of liquid coming out of the bottom of it. I don't know if it was water or if it was tree sap.
Almost done. I think they went to lunch. They'll be back. Actually, I think they had to go and load the trailer and the chipper. They will be back to finish it off. Poor tree. So that's kind of nice. There's been a lot of equipment in my front yard lately. It's nice to have somebody that actually has those things. I don't know what those little pads are, but those are kind of nice. Doesn't leave big ruts in my... Not that that matters, because my yard's full of ruts, but... So, shout out to these guys right here. Alright, we're on the last leg of the project for the tree removal. Here's the crane. It's gonna work with the bucket truck. And we're gonna get the rest of this tree down today. Wowza, wowza, here comes the big one. Okay, this tree is hollow. Wait till you guys see this. This was the main part of the tree. I can see how hollow it is. Ooh, can you see that? That darks. Look at how hollow that is. Look at that. Wow. Whew, there was nothing holding that tree up. Wowza. Wow. Whew, that was a big part of the tree that was completely hollow. Wow. There was no saving that. And when you consider how many times we cut through the root structure, trenching the yard, there's just no saving that. last tree. Wow. Okay, for a little while there I was like, maybe we're wrong about the tree being hollow, but nope, we were wrong. Poor tree. Poor tree. There we go. Very last piece of tree. Oh, wow. Wow. Well, that confirms the decision right there. Look at that. Wow. Tree is no longer. Wow. There you go. Well, I was gonna make a gnome village, but maybe I'll make a gnome cave instead. I don't know, or a fairy cave, or I don't know how we're gonna decorate this, but there you go. Tree is all gone.